Hi everybody, this is Dr. Leahy with the Writing and Communication Center, and I am recording this very brief video to show you how you can book a consultation with the Writing and Communication Center, or the WCC. So we use a third-party appointment booking site that anyone, any UTC student can use. You just need to access it from our website. So the first step is to find our website. You can get there usually from the library website, or always from the library website, because we are one of their services. So you can click on services by department. You can click on the Writing Center link. You could also Google UTC WCC, or you can type in up here, it's utc.edu/WCC will get you to this site as well. So you want to look for, you can find other information on this website, but you want to look for this link, make an appointment. That gets you to that site. If it's your first visit, register for an account. So you'll have to go through and fill this out. It's very straightforward. Just keep in mind that you need to use your UTC email address and that this is a password that you're setting specifically for this website. It's not connected to your other UTC accounts. Once you're through, you need to complete your registration. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and log. Before you click the login button though, make sure to choose a schedule or else you'll get an error. So we've got two schedules to choose from, meeting in person or online. That is just what it sounds like. It's where you are going to link out to a schedule where you choose a day and a time and a person to meet with. And then submit a draft for feedback. That is our asynchronous option. Most people are going to want to do our meet in person or online option. So I'm going to show you that. So you can go ahead and log in. And here you will see our appointment schedule. This is what it'll look like for you, or it'll look something like this. We've got our days. Our dates are on the left-hand side, along with the consultants that have availability on that day. And then we've got our times stretching across our operating hours. Very dark blue is times that where that person is not available. And then the lighter blue is times when that person is otherwise booked. And then the white is when they're free. So we've got these 30-minute consultation slots available, and these are for in-person or online consultations. So just click on what you want. The first question you have to answer is what kind of appointment you want. If you wanted it to be in person in our consultation space in the library in room 118. Keep in mind masks are required for that. And then if you'd rather meet online, you can do that. So you can go ahead and fill this information out and click the button to create an appointment. And if you've done that successfully, your appointment should show up here in yellow. So you can always open back up an appointment that you've created yourself. And you can edit it if you want to add additional information. If you want to change the modality, if you want to change from an online appointment to an in-person appointment, you can do that. You can cancel it if you decided you can't make it. If it's time for your appointment to start, you can click this button to start or join your consultation, and that'll get you to our online consultation platform. The other thing I wanted to show you is that if you wanted to submit a draft for feedback instead, that is with our other calendar. And so you will have to either choose that when you're logging in, or you can toggle between them on this drop box up here. So the submit a draft for feedback looks a little bit different because you're not booking at a specific time with a specific person. Rather, you're putting in a request. And so we handle these first come, first served, as long as you have all the information included that we needed to complete your request. Keep in mind, this sounds like an easy option to have someone like edit your work for you, but that's not what we do. We provide detailed feedback that you will then have to apply to your paper. So this is not a proofreading service, and the service does not work well for everybody. So think about that before you book an appointment, and take a look at our other video that tells you a little bit more about this service. So it's the same form that you need to fill out, but the thing to know about the submitting a draft for feedback is that you really do need to attach files, because we can't review your work if you don't include your work. So so keep that in mind. For any type of appointment, if you run into any trouble while you're booking, just email us at wcc@utc.edu. And thanks so much. We look forward to reading your work this semester.